All right, today I'd like to introduce the charging an open-air electroscope with a PVC rod and fur. Quick to do about the electroscope. It's basically got a center post pochette pin mounted with a metal needle, metal post, and when these are like charges are on this post, you will get deflection in the needle. Another thing to note is that with this ceramic insulation here, or this big piece of ceramic disc, the center post is mounted to the ceramic piece, which keeps it electrically isolated from the outer part of the electroscope. Without further ado, I'm going to charge using two different methods, but let's start with the easiest, and that is by making direct contact with the top of the electroscope. We call this conduction, and with conduction it's safe to assume the charge that's on the PVC rod will be transferred to the center post and the needle, and therefore we have the same charge on the needle and the rod as we do up here. So that's charging by conduction. I said it was electrically isolated, but I can come in and provide a pathway to ground through my body, which is going to let me introduce a second charging method. When I have my finger here, and now I have a pathway to come near and either repel light charges through my body away from the needle, or attract unlight charges up through my body towards the electroscope. So it's going to be one of the two, but not both. And real quick, let's charge by conduction first, since that's the easiest. Now with induction, I'm going to bring my rod close enough that it is affecting this. And basically, let's show it real quick. If I bring it close enough, you see that electric field actually affects the electroscope. But if I leave my finger here, bring it close enough, remove my finger, now it's isolated again, we have charged the second electroscope by induction. There's two things to notice about the behavior of the two, is that on my first electroscope, which was charged by conduction, if I bring the charge rod close, I should see an increased deflection on the needle. On the second one we observed, if I bring my charge rod close, we see a reduced deflection of the needle. So basically they behave oppositely. Here, light charges increases the deflection needle. Here we see a reduced deflection of the needle. That's just real quick intro to these two open air electroscopes. One note of caution is that they are open air electroscopes on a humid day. After about 5 or 10 minutes, they're just not going to work. So, conduction versus induction. Thank you.